just smiles. That's all it does. So we're testing the Racechip now, seeing if the horsepower and torque numbers have actually they're actually all they cracked up to be. And to be honest, still the only thing letting this car down is the automatic gearbox, but it is really fast. It's fast. It's really fast. Yeah. So stock this car, I think this car does 0 to 60 in around 8 seconds, stock. So I think we'll need to find a motorway to do a 0 to 60 full on. It might not be today, but yeah, I'm not trying to stay outside. Obviously the lockdown hasn't happened yet, but trying not to get coronavirus at this point either. Yeah, we're in 4th gear at the moment, and there seems to be some sort of there isn't turbo lag, but there is a slight hesitance with the transmission. I don't know if it is happy with over 500 newton meters of torque going through it, because if you look everywhere online, this GM transmission only takes, I think, something like it only takes something like 300 newton meters. This thing always is going to be a boat to drive, but honestly, who said you can't have fun in boats? Because this thing pulls like an absolute train now, and it's funny what just a box can do, but it's insane. The turbos in this car now, they're a lot more pronounced, like you can hear them, and they just sound like jets, like turbines. Obviously that's what they are, but they're you got a lot of whooshy noises from that JDM era where everyone had like Supras with big blow-off valves, and then you've got the MPG counter, which is just hovering over 10 with my foot on the floor. Fuel consumption. In terms of miles per gallon, on the way to the shops, actually, I took the dual carriageway, which I don't normally do, but I just did that to check the average consumption, and that returned something like 55 mpg, which I've never really seen with this car, and hasn't seen that with this car either. It's normally does around 47-48 miles per gallon, and obviously any improvement's welcome. And in the city as well, we've actually found that this car used to do 28 miles per gallon, but now it does around 40 in the city as well, which is absolutely insane. And obviously, of course, again, that's driving it like Ganan, basically. Not only is it fun to drive in town now, but it's frugal, so it doesn't use that much fuel. I mean, obviously someone with a 1.4 litre diesel Golf or something is gonna turn around and say, wait, but I get 80 miles per gallon. It's like, yeah, but that's not the point. This is a 3 litre diesel, and it's a car from 2004, so it's something you don't like typically expect from a car this old. I think that does it for test driving this car, actually.